If you are experiencing the frustrating error where your computer appears to be configured correctly, but the device or the source is not responding, there is a straightforward workaround that can resolve this issue permanently. Instead of delving into complex DNS management or searching for the root cause, we can apply a simple change that will fix the problem. Begin by pressing the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run dialog box. In the dialog box, type ncpa.corporal and then press Enter. This action will open the Network Connections window. Locate your Wi-Fi connection, right-click on it, and select Properties. Within the Properties window, double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. You will then see an option to select Use the following DNS server address. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, enter 8.8.4.4. After entering these addresses, click on OK, and then click OK again to close the windows. Finally, restart your computer, and the problem should be resolved. The reason this fix works is because we are switching your DNS settings to Google's public DNS servers. Google's DNS is highly reliable and is not prone to the issues that might affect your internet service provider's DNS. By using Google DNS, you ensure a stable and consistent connection, preventing the device or the source is not responding error from reappearing. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.